back to the channel. Today, as you can see, I have short hair. So if you haven't seen like when I cut it, go check my latest episode. And today, we're going to blend some delicious fruits like green apples and kiwis and maybe oranges. Anyways, my parents actually went on Saturday to Audio House and bought a blender. So today we're gonna try it out with you. I'm gonna open it and try it out with you. Okay, let's go and see how it looks like. As you can see, this is the brand 707 and we're gonna open it. Open. Dun 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 dun! Sandcastle. That's just cardboard. Okay. This is really heavy. Oh gosh. Ouch. Okay. As you can see, it's a little dirty, so I asked my mother to clean it up for us so we can start blending. Okay, let's add in the ingredients to start blending. Okay, first we need some syrup. Perfect. Then we add some ice. Then we add the fruits. And a little bit of salt. We just need about this little bit of meat. Let me close it. And let's start blending. Now let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this is so messy. Oh gosh. Okay. All in one cup. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is the smoothie drink. We added half of a green apple and a full kiwi. And as you saw just now, we added like 3/4 of ice and even a little bit of salt with 1 tablespoon of syrup. Anyways, this drink helps with dieting as well as even like detoxing your intestines and also helping you digest better. Very good, right? Now let's try it. For me, I actually like kiwis a lot. They can be sweet and sour, but I kind of like the golden kind better. But let's try this. You can taste like the sourness of the kiwi and also the green apple, but the kiwiness is much more. Okay, let's get a full. I'll say it's pretty good, yeah. Anyways, subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.